Hey there, Dr. Certo. This is Eric Gray at United Against Poverty. Just wanted to call and thank you for your past support. And thought instead of writing a letter, I might send you a little video. I figured your son might appreciate the technology as well as you and all your work with podcasts. And just wanted to show you around and see what we're doing this year and what we have planned, and see if maybe you might consider some support for the organization here before the end of the year. Let me show you around. So we're just about to break 30,000 members in the grocery. Probably the best way to show you that is this is Wednesday afternoon, generally one of our slowest times, and you can see that we're pretty busy. We are now just about to break 30,000 members overall. We've done some pretty cool new things at the grocery this year. We were able to purchase shopping carts. We actually got these from Russ, and when they liquidated all of their property after bankruptcy, and we got them, instead of for $150 a piece, we got them for $13 a piece, and we're able to just put our stickers on the side, and then adding in these cart corrals here, which we didn't think was going to make such a big deal, has actually turned out to be pretty nice, because in the parking lot it looks a little bit more like a retail program, and it's made a big difference, so we're excited about that. Last year we had 78,000 volunteer hours. So far this year we've had over 81,000 volunteer hours served this year. Most of our volunteers are coming from wonderful groups like this one right here behind me. Who wants to say?
Thank you!
We've partnered with Valencia Community College this year, and they are actually tomorrow completing their second certification program. We did a construction certification where 10 students got their certification on OSHA 10 safety training, which is really valuable in going into construction work. And then another 12 students are finishing up a program where they've earned their yellow belt in the Six Sigma education and organizational logistics training to work on warehousing and logistics. So really great partnerships now with not only Valencia, but also Orange Technical College, UCF, and a number of other partners here that are helping us to train people for advanced workforce initiatives. We've gotten a lot of partners that are coming in very regularly. Orange Blossom Family Health is running the medical clinic here 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. We have Harbor House of Central Florida here every Thursday. We've got the Primary Care Access Network that's coming in every Monday and Wednesday now. Miracle of Love and Hope and Help are expanding to 5 days a week. We have the Homeless Services Network that's coming in every Friday to help people with children who are homeless find housing. We've got the Aspire Health program that's working on behavioral health and substance abuse issues. That's every Wednesday. And then we also have another homeless prevention service with the Center for Multicultural Wellness and Prevention. They're coming in every first and third Tuesdays. So that's just a little bit of the folks who've added on this year. And we're actually building 2 new counseling suites next year, as we expect to add a couple of additional partners. They're all self-sufficient. They don't take any of our time, but they provide a lot of great services for our partners and mostly for our clients. Our product partner team has done a tremendous job this year of getting food donors from 12 states right now. So this is Carla and Tiffany and Bill from our STEP program, and so far this year, how many people have gone through the STEP program so far this year, you think?
57.
And how many people have we gotten into jobs so far this year, you think?
43.
And how many people how many families lifted out of poverty this year?
Out of poverty, so
Yeah.
100 and 200%?
Yeah.
42. 47?
Yeah, it's 47.
I think she's right, it's 47.
Yeah, I think it's 47 too.
It is.
And so Bill, tell the folks what you did today. What was special about today?
We had mock interviews all day. I was fortunate enough to have 3, and it's probably one of the things I love best about this program is the mock interviews, because it just makes me feel more and more comfortable with the interview situation.
And you have one coming up right in like in a minute or two, right?
I do.
With who?
Lucky Supermarket.
All right, good luck.
Thank you.
We've also done a number of hand-up events this year, such as tax prep in April, and the Thanksgiving event on Hopeful Harvest, which was done just a few weeks ago. And then this weekend coming up is Christmas Mall, which is run by a group of volunteers called Women of Hope, and they are going to be making available toys to the families of over 600 children. And these toys, if you haven't been out of part of the program in a while, I think you know about this. They're either $1, $3, or $5, so it's going to be really exciting coming up on Saturday, and this program just keeps getting bigger and bigger every year. So the grocery itself has an economic impact of around $4.6 million this year. That's based off of the money that we project we're saving member families, and that is all derived from the comparison of cost to other retail programs and the amount that is spent through our registers. What's really cool and exciting about coming up is small things and big things. Small things, we're getting brand new cash wrap stands with the conveyor belts, just like regular grocery programs. And then we are also getting closer and closer to be able to more fully renovate the facility. Because we've made so many nice upgrades this year, we've been able to bring in a lot of partners that are very seriously looking at our program for help with some bigger needs. So starting in January, Florida Hospital will actually be working with us to prescribe through their dietitians $25 vouchers for any person that has been diagnosed as being under malnutrition, being diagnosed with malnutrition. So that program is going to start January 1st, and because Florida Hospital is doing it, so is Orlando Health. And so both big hospital groups are going to be prescribing up as a medication, if you so to speak, or treatment for malnutrition beginning in 2019. And then, exciting but still yet to be done is this property that we purchased back in April. And we're still a couple months away from being able to use all of it, but you can see how much extra parking this will allow us, and it couldn't come too soon. So we're really excited about the future, and just really appreciate all you've done to help us get to this place, and we're looking forward to some great things in 2019. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.